the lake that backs up to the Hoover Dam. Looks like the water level's really low. Just went through the checkpoint to get into the Hoover Dam. They asked if I had any drones. They're asking everybody if they had any drones or firearms in the vehicle. I wonder why the drones. The firearms, I wonder why either, though, honestly. I mean, vandalism or...
In 1 mile, arrive at your next stop.
What is this? Why are these people wearing orange? Is it? Are they just visitors? That's one way to keep the squad together, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of steps. Not sure what's up here. Doja's feet are hot, yo. Could carry it, bro. Oh, okay. Oh, it's just a viewpoint. Nice. Doja in the shade. Get ourselves a dam too. That's where we just were. Well, that's amusing when you drive over it. It's cooler from the outside. It's pretty cool though, I guess. Well, you can see where the water level usually is. At least that's where I imagine. No, I'm tripping. What that stuff is. I don't know. I kind of want to look down there. Nah, you gotta pay. They want you to pay for parking. Looks like I can park here. However, it's really hot out there for the Doge. On the ground, he's moving real fast. He's pulling me a lot. I don't have a ton of water. I just want to fill up these water jugs.